Hello everyone and welcome to Henry channel. In this video I'll show you how you can fix the following error in Spflash tool. So guys, let me just show you. So that's the problem. If you're facing the same issue, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix it. So first of all, you need to click on options and you see here, uncheck this, and that's it. Now I will show you if it works or not. I'm just connecting my device again, and as you can see, so guys, that's all in this video. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to this channel, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.